Starting this year, HISD is offering COVID testing for students and staff on all campuses. The district says that PCR screening tests will be free of charge. Parents who want their child tested will have to sign a one-time consent form. Drive-through testing is also being offered right now. It's happening at Chavez, Westbury, and Westside High Schools until 12:30 this afternoon. But if you can't make it, even more testing will be offered today from 1 o'clock till 4:30 at Bel Air and Worthing High Schools. You can register for those testing sites at HISD's website.
All right, we know testing is key in this pandemic, but boy, has it been in high demand and hard to find, not just in our area, but across the country. The City of Houston Health Department reported multiple testing sites had reached capacity all week long. Earlier this week, Delmar Stadium and Maid Park reopened as mega testing sites. The city's medical director is urging people to get tested on a regular basis, even once the holiday season comes to an end. The city is also expected to open 2 new mega sites next week at Butler Stadium and the old Dave & Buster's location on Richmond Avenue. The sites can each give 1,000 tests per day.
We recognize that the demand is here right now. We anticipate the demand will be greater next week as people prepare to go back to school. People are coming back from the holiday break. People are celebrating over this weekend. So we want to do as much as we can to ramp up the availability of testing.
Unfortunately, these tests are revealing that a lot of people in our community are infected right now. You can go to abc13.com to find links to get a free COVID testing location. You can also find places offering free COVID vaccines and